Okay, just get myself sorted. You can see down here, fast little river. It means my best is okay. Oh, did I lock the door of the Batmobile? Oh, Robin, I forgot to lock the door. Bad Batman, bad. Anyhow, that bit of excitement over. There's a road bridge here, a very busy road going over, and there's a nice little pool down there, goes into a tunnel. Who knows? The good thing is there's stairs down the river. Well, it's not as deep as I thought. And I put on a flink hammer with a pink body. Strange fly, but we'll use it and see. I'm sure the fish won't mind. Well, see, it's actually quite a nice structure of a pool. Lots of little flies about. Let's get... Oh, look at that. Jesus. Wow. What the hell? I had no idea this was going to happen. That is some... For this size of stream, that's a very nice trout. The pink works! Yoo! Is that not a stunning little trout? Beautiful condition. Really thumped the fly, so probably that's the pool ruined. Move on to the next pool, Robbie. There we are. What do you think about that? Nice start to the mountain stream fishing. Oh, need a minute to sort myself out here. Oh, there's a fish. Small one this time. He's caught on the lip. We'll see if we can do a flip off. Yes. Save this little guy getting netted. Flipped off. 2 fish from this pool. I'm so happy. Done. Nah, I think I've scared the fish off now. Let's... Oh! Oh! They get smaller as they goes on. Oh! 3! That's a record from this pool probably. Who knows? I told you there's not many these kind of pools on this river. I've only stopped outside the road and had a look at them. So that might be too ambitious. But we'll see. Fish this bit first, clear any fish. Oh! Nice fish. Nice. Yeah, need to net him. He's a bit bigger and he's taking the fly. No, on the lip actually. Shows you many fish can live in these pools. It's a beautiful markings on that fish. Beautiful river trout. Small but beautiful. Hey. Veľmi pekne. Perfectly. Hey. Check. No stocky rainbows. Beautiful river trout. Could be stocked, who knows, I have no idea. But some of those look wild fish. Right up against the wall. Come on. Surely there's a fish sitting there. Oh! There was a fish sitting there. And guess what? Is that a rainbow? Is that a rainbow I see? It sure is a rainbow. Rainbow running. Wow! It's a rainbow. I'm seeing no stocky rainbows. Oh wow! I'll take a picture of that before it goes back. That's a stocky. So it's really deep part of the pool, and I'm going to cast this way. Oh, there we go. Allowed me to cover it better. Small fish, but still nice. I want to put the rod in the water so that I can get the tip up because of the... I'm not even using the net in this small one, I'm afraid to say. It needs forceps. It took that fly right down. Okay folks, no more filming. Oh, there we go. At last. Decent fish. Yeah, decent fish for this size of pool. Yeah. Nice little brownie. Say hello to the camera. Decent little fish. Wow, there's a river there somewhere. How to enter? Hands up. I surrender to the nettles. They're taller than me. Hopefully they don't get my face, but we'll see. Wow. Okay, stop it. GoPro, I need your advice here. What should I do? Jump in the water again? Or just flick my fly out like I'm flicking for fish? Oh! Where did that guy come from? First cast in that pool. It's a nice trout. Okay. Looks like I should hold on to a tree. Get myself in the fast water. Okay, there we go. That was novel. He's pretty much swallowed that fly. Or not with the forceps, and he was out. Okay. Can't even get it in close enough. A lot of casting restrictions here. And actually this one, oh, there we go. Wow. That's a nice brownie. Pulling the line and the rod right out of my hands. Yep, nice brownie. Let's see if we can net him and photograph him. Yeah! Nice fish. Okay. Small river fish. A small river. Yeah, give me another chance. Another nice fish. It's going back and forward across this stream. It's hard fighting them against the current. Okay, nice fish. Beautiful brownie. Oh. Oh. He says as he takes another little one. Yeah, hooked right in the lip. Let's see if we can flip him off. Hook of the barbless, the bend.